Good morning, guys. It is about, what time is it, 9:30?
I don't know.
And I got my coffee over here and my blueberry Greek vanilla yogurt. No one has just waffle and bananas. Okay, what bathing suit should I wear today? I don't think I'm gonna wear a yellow one just because I wore a yellow one yesterday. I have so many red bathing suits. I might wear one of those. Like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red bathing suits. I literally packed so many bathing suits. It's insane. Like, way too many. Like, oh my god, it's so bad. I overpacked so much. Hey guys, so we came to the pool and they're like setting it up for a party. So I don't think we're gonna end up going to the pool.
I'm just gonna stay at our pool for a little bit and then go to the beach.
Hey guys, so like I said, the pool closed. So now we're just in my aunt's backyard at her pool. And I'm gonna do a little bit of like tanning and stuff. It's so nice out. Hey guys, so I'm still out here just like tanning and chilling, mostly just tanning my legs because that's like where the sun is, and it's so hot. I'm literally sweating right now. It's kind of disgusting. I might go into, oh hi Rosie, hi. Like I was saying before I got so rudely interrupted by that one over there, I might go into my aunt's pool just to cool off because it's so hot. I got myself some green Arnold Palmer iced tea and this Cascadian Farm organic oats and chocolate granola bar that we got at the grocery store yesterday, and these things are actually surprisingly good and healthy. My dad, aunt, and brother are taking the dogs to the dog park, I think, in a little bit, and I think I'm just gonna stay here and chill, maybe do some more tanning and stuff. Isn't that plane no one filming? What are they doing? But yeah, and then when they come back, we're going to the beach. And that's what's happening right now. But yeah, just chilling. Loving life with my best wife. Oh my god. It's so cold, but it's so nice. Oh my god. Hey guys, so we made it to the beach and it's so nice out. It's like the perfect temperature. It's not too hot, but it's not cold. It's a little windy, but it's perfect. And there's like a cloud covering the sun right now, which kind of sucks. So it better go away soon. But the water is so warm. I just felt it. Hey guys, so we just went swimming. I don't know if you can see in the time lapse I took, but we went swimming and now we're walking down the beach. We're gonna go and try to find like an ice cream place or something. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. By the way, if you're wondering, this red bathing suit I'm wearing is from Romwe. I will try and link it down below. Where are we going?
What?
Hey guys, so we're back at the house now. It's around 4:30 and we're about to go to Steak and Shake again and get a milkshake because I'm really craving another Kit Kat milkshake. It was so good. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And then at 7, we have dinner reservations at the club to go get some dinner. So that should be fun. I'm gonna dress a little fancier probably because I have some cute clothes I want to wear. I think I got a little bit of a tan at the beach. Let's hope.
Get a Kit Kat shake, an Oreo mint.
And can I get a Butterfingers?
Thank you.
Yeah.
We should have got spoons. Damn.
We should have got spoons.
Oh, who's...
Hey guys, so I just got out of the pool. As you guys saw from the time lapse, me and my brother went swimming for a little bit. Is this crooked? Is that better? Okay, I think that's better. I don't know. But me and brother went swimming for a little bit, but now I'm gonna get in the shower and then get ready for dinner tonight. Hey guys, so I just uploaded yesterday's vlog and we are about to leave to go to dinner at the fancy little club in this little gated area, and I just want to show you guys my outfit really quickly. So I'm wearing this Brandy Melville star choker necklace that I wear all the time, and then this two-piece set, they're like shorts, that I got from Forever 21. It's just this cute little palm tree shirt that like ties and bows, and then these little high-waisted palm tree shorts. And for shoes, I'm just wearing these like platform white sneakers by Guess that I got at the thrift store actually. I'm also gonna be like wearing my straw bag, so yeah, I'm really excited.
Soda. Wow, these are dynamite.
Hey guys, okay, my thing just fell. Anyways, hey guys, so it is about 8:45 actually, and I just got back from the restaurant. I got this ginger Caesar salad and salmon, as you guys saw from the little clip. I didn't want to vlog at the restaurant because it was like fancy and stuff, so I didn't really feel comfortable like vlogging and, you know, so I didn't vlog, but I think I'm gonna get changed into more comfortable clothes and probably wind down, edit this vlog, and get it ready to go up tomorrow. And yeah, I want to clean my room also because like it's pretty messy and I'm really trying to keep it like clean throughout this whole trip. But I'm so much more burnt than I initially thought I was. Like my arms hurt really bad and my legs. So yeah, but I've been spraying my Mario Badescu like spray on them because it feels really good on the sunburn. So yeah, also just posted an Instagram post. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at CloudPower3. I usually have it linked in my description box. Hey guys, so I just finished editing this vlog and originally it was 26 minutes unedited and I brought it down to 10 minutes. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I cut down 16 minutes of vlog footage that was like unnecessary. I'm about to probably go to bed soon, maybe watch a few YouTube videos, import this onto my computer and make a thumbnail so it'll be ready to go up bright and early in the morning. But yeah, also I'm just wearing the same sweatshirt I wore last night to bed because it's the only sweatshirt I brought and I feel like it's not really dirty if I just wore it once to bed. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear it again tonight. But yeah, I'm so tired. Oh my god, my under eyes are so burnt. Like, look how burnt they are. I didn't even realize how badly burnt they are. It's insane. And like my shins. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.